Hello. There's a storm rolling in to Gloucester. It's late in the day. I don't know why, but I'm working this stupid camera. It's exhausting. So, this is Gloucester with a storm rolling in. That's Rocky Neck, where that red factory is. That's Rocky Neck, the oldest artists colony in America. Gloucester is, of course, the oldest, and look what we have here, the Gloucester boat under sail. That may be the Thomas Lannon, Leslie, where I had my honeymoon cruise. So, there's a fishing boat. Sorry, Leslie, I had an emotional moment there and got all choked up. So this is Gloucester. These are the rooftops off my fire escape. Here are my friends, the gulls. And here is my patient mama seagull. And I sure hope it works out for her. And there you go. Take care. Hello, Jackie, Matthew, and Adam. And I'll keep you posted here off the backyard.